Which one of these is the iPod? Not this one, this one, this one, or this one, but these. These are all iPods. The iPhone, that's what it is. The iPhone killed the iPod. And these are my trading cards. Do you like them? Now that leaves us with the real iPods. The iPods that I got for $5 in a channel member video. I bought these, it's not working. This is my iPhone that normally is my face cam, and this is the iPod. One of them is slightly bigger than the other. And there's a reason Apple discontinued these. Your smartphones have the same thing, and that's music. Basically, the iPodTouch was the iPhone without the phone part. You see, that's how you know it's a phone. This is the second generation iPodTouch. The battery still holds a charge. I don't know how that is. It's been 4 days since I filmed the video for this, and this one's still full battery. This one doesn't hold its battery so well. It's also not 1146 in January. They just said that when I booted them up. Look at this old slide to unlock. That brings me back, man. But what can these things do? They can play music. This is all music that was on it when I got it. I didn't add any of this. So this time I added some of my own music. Every YouTuber's favorite, royalty-free flavored. Oh, and some actually good music that I can listen to. But you can't because of the law, and I need my videos to be monetized, thank you. Yeah, gotta get the cable out. There we go. This is a long boy. Oh, yeah. Now our two iPods, and this is my victim. This is the one I'm gonna be using. And my luck that the 16 gig model has a better battery. The one slight problem is it has debris in between the screen and the glass. You may be able to tell a slight difference between the two, but we're just gonna live with it because janky old crap, am I right? I mean, this is vintage now, it's not crap. Now, I could swap this screen in, but it's more funny when it's jankier. That is the vintage charging sound. Owner's iPod. I'm sorry, owner. I'm gonna wipe all your music off. Don't back up. Why would I do that? Isn't it great that this ancient computer and this ancient version of iTunes can still download updates from Apple's servers? I have a feeling that this might take an absolute eternity. Uh-oh. What happened could not be restored. An unknown error occurred. Did I brick the iPod? You can help Apple improve its products. I'm pretty sure you're not going to improve this version of iTunes, but okay. Oh God, please don't say I bricked it. Stop, go away. It's time for modern technology to take over. It says a thing, your Mac's detected in iPod recovery mode. So it's detected the iPod. Restore, yes. Please don't be bricked, please don't be bricked. Please don't. Why is it like this? Give me the cable. And it has the right time and date, unlike this guy here. 8/18 January, not today. He's gonna die soon. I'll just let him die over here in peace. So, it's restored. Edit home screen. To rearrange icons, touch and hold. Wow, that was modern features back when this was new. Rearrange. Oh, how nice. Now it's time for it to try again. So I'll have to add my Fire Tunes. Hey, it shows up. Kelson's iPod. I can select everything. Add it. Ugh, it failed? Useless. Oh look, it has some music. Why is there no album art? You're dumb. That one has album art. The device timed out. I doubt that. More like you timed out. Goodbye. I'll do it on my modern computer. I don't know if this is doing anything. Wait, so you can do it like this? It doesn't show though. Oh wait, I was in the movies tab because I'm stupid. Couldn't be copied. A timeout. They don't put you in timeout if you keep doing this to me. iPod experience, guys. If you want to experience vintage garbage, I mean, 26 artists, 269 nice songs. They should have album art. Album art's the best part, and it's not here. Oh, oops, I didn't mean to bang it that hard. I don't want to actually break this thing. Look at that. Chapter 7, 8, 10, 14, 16. An entire book. Now some music you can listen to. Such fire tunes. No more. Using one of these for music isn't exactly ideal. Now we gotta get it on the Wi-Fi. Now, of course, this old YouTube app doesn't work. It can't connect. But luckily we have Safari. YouTube. Let's leave that to think. Uh-oh. My browser's outdated. Can I proceed? It says use it with new browser for the best experience. But I doubt that anything that looks like this that connects to the internet is going to give me the best experience. I still hit that too hard. The camera's having a fit. Okay, I think it's safe to say that this isn't going to happen. But can it go to the other website? Porkchops.com. What about apps? Can it play Candy? Oh God, I keep smashing it. Cannot connect to iTunes Store. That's not what I went to the App Store, not iTunes Store yet. I don't think we're gonna get any apps on this. And no, I'm not gonna jailbreak it. It's running iOS 4.2.1 and I can't get apps on it. Okay then, so back to what the iPod, no, not this. Back to what the iPod's for. Music. I've got my bag of, headphones. I need the ones I want. I think these are genuine Apple earbuds, but they could be bootlegs. I really don't remember. I had these for a while. I was in like that. Back to my half-downloaded music with no album art. I'm having the real 2009 experience. All the way. That's actually loud. You don't want to be doing that. You get hearing loss. Instead of using these, let's try to use these. These are my AirPods Pro 2nd generation with the Lightning connector. I was confused at first because it doesn't show Bluetooth right here, but back in the day it used to be in general. See? Bluetooth. AirPods Pro. Find my. That's interesting. I paused it with the AirPods Pro, but no sound. I'm not getting any sound. It played. See? Play. Pause. The thing is about music is that you want to hear it to listen to it. The JBL Charge 4. And it works. There's your proof. And I did resync the music to this album art, and this is why I wanted it. Look at this old GUI. It is so awesome. They don't have this design anymore. I mean, old iOS apps, too, look a lot better than the new ones. I do want to try Maps and see if that works. They used to have Google Maps built in before Apple Maps. No way. It's showing up. That's one thing that works. I've tried a lot of these apps, and they just don't work. In and out. Yo, there we go. That's insane that this old version of Maps on iOS 4 still works. Weather doesn't work, App Store doesn't work, YouTube doesn't work, Game Center probably doesn't work. Could not connect to the server. Even the Stocks app doesn't work. And with all these apps not working, I still am confused as to why the Google Maps on a 15-year-old iPod works and none of the Apple apps work. This old Notes app, like one of those old legal pads, it's so funny how all the old, like, classic Apple stuff was based on real things. And honestly, it looks so much better that way. This is one of my favorite ones. The old Voice Memos app. It has an actual microphone. Oh, but apparently the iPod doesn't have a microphone of its own. Wait. Don't ask me why I have this. Plug this in like that. And that's a microphone. This is a microphone, That was me unplugging it. That doesn't sound as bad as I thought it would. I don't remember why I have this, but it's a thing that exists. Email does appear to work on these iPods, except this isn't the iPod that I use. This is the other iPod in the listing. The reason it's blurred is because someone didn't log out of their email when they got rid of their iPod. It's none of my business why like half of these emails are from seniorpeoplemeet.com. Okay. So the iPodTOuch experience is a little not great, though I am glad they brought this back. The lock screen album art, it took a long time for this to be added back. It's just that little nicety that makes it so much better. These old iPods didn't have a camera like the iPhones did. They don't have all that much storage, but I like them. I just can't help it. I'm sad I couldn't get Doodle Jump on one of these or something, but App Store no worky. I got those in a channel member video, only $5 last week, and of course there's a channel member video every week. This week, we're going to be looking at an iPod starter kit. I don't know why this existed, or maybe I do. We'll find out. And every week I pick a supporter of the week for my $10 supporters, except there still aren't any, so become a $10 supporter to be a supporter of the week like this imaginary supporter right here. I'll see you guys next week for another video.